Want to profit from market moves before they happen? Let's break down futures trading in 60 seconds. Futures are contracts that let you buy or sell assets like oil, gold, or Bitcoin at a set price on a future date. You're not buying the asset itself, you're trading on how you think its price will move. Why do traders love them? One word: leverage. You can control large positions with a small deposit. That means bigger potential profits, but also bigger risks. So trade carefully. Getting started is simple. Step 1. Pick a reliable broker like Binance or TD Ameritrade. Step 2. Choose your market: crypto, commodities, or stocks. Step 3. Practice with a demo account before using real money. Here are a few pro tips. Always use stop-loss orders, avoid over-leveraging, stay on top of market news, and never trade without a solid plan. Futures can be powerful tools, but they're not for the reckless. Trade smart. Follow Web3 Wave for more bite-sized trading tips and Web3 guides.